Hello, did you order an Uber?
Yeah, I did.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, good, how are you?
Good, what's the name?
I'm Elizabeth.
Elizabeth, welcome.
You have a nice car.
Oh, thank you. I think the doors,
Oh, okay.
you shut it all the way. Gotta use those
How's
muscles
your
of you there.
Yeah, they're amazing. How's your day going?
Not too bad, just went to the gym and just trying to make a few bucks.
I can see that. Ooh, nice muscles you have there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
So, where
My
you going?
girlfriend didn't appreciate it. She broke up with me.
Really? Why?
I don't know. She says I wasn't her type, I guess.
Well, you're my type.
Oh, I'm your type?
Yeah.
What's your type?
Muscular, that love going to the gym, have glasses. I love glasses.
Oh, you like glasses?
I love glasses.
Well, I wear these to sleep because...
Really? That's hot.
Okay.
I love that.
Yeah. So where are you off to today?
Just going to a party.
Look at that view.
I know, isn't it amazing?
Yeah.
I love seeing the view with you.
With me?
Yeah.
We barely met.
I don't care. I mean, gas prices are going up. Maybe we can carpool together sometime.
Carpool where?
I don't know. Anywhere. Anywhere. I'll go anywhere with you.
You'll go anywhere with me?
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna take you and then I'm probably gonna drop you off and never see you again, so.
No. I can get your contact information. I'll find your Instagram.
Are you like one of those stalker girls?
I can be if you want me to.
No. I don't like stalkers.
Why?
They're like clingy.
Don't you love that? I love that. I love clingy man. Are you a kingly man?
A clingy?
Yeah.
No, I'm not at all.
Why not?
I'm very detached.
That's okay. I'll make you clingy.
Oh, really?
What's your phone number?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You really want to hang out with me?
I would love to hang out with you.
Well, what do you want to do?
I don't know. We could do things. I mean, you have the address to my house already, right?
I mean, yeah, but like, don't you have roommates?
I don't care. Do you care?
Well, what are they gonna think? You're taking home an Uber driver?
Yeah, so what? A hot Uber driver. They don't care. We can have a threesome or something.
With your roommates?
Of course.
Are
They're
they-
so hot.
Are they blonde or are they brunette?
They're half blonde, half brunette.
Okay. Yeah, maybe one of these days if I find time in my schedule. I'm pretty busy.
I love that.
Yeah.
I love a busy man.
Maybe in like 3 weeks or something.
Yeah. Okay, but what about you we just go right now? Why don't we just go right now? We're going to the party that I'm going to. You should come with us.
To your party?
Yeah.
I mean, I gotta work.
So? You just get off of work. Can't you just do that?
I gotta make like another $100 so I can pay my car payment.
Ugh, it's okay. My daddy will send you money. I promise.
I mean, yeah, I guess I can give you my Venmo.
That'd be great. And your phone number too.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay, so it's just right up here?
Yeah, it's right there.
Okay. And you really want me to come in right now?
Yeah, that'd be great. And then we go to the bathroom together.
To the bathroom?
Yeah.
I don't have to go to the bathroom.
It's okay. I have to go to the bathroom.
Okay, well, why would I need to go with you?
Don't worry about it. Okay. Well, I'm right here.
Okay.
Okay, I'll see you inside.
All right, let me park.
Okay.